Okay, we're going to put the return spring on, which is harder than what it looks. Okay, so we do stock these. We get them custom made. Probably won't find them anywhere else. This first is the long end. I'm going to put into the hole right here. That hole into the dash pot. And then I'm going to grab this one, clear down here. Get plenty of room on the top. And then you got to fish the top into the hole in the rod here. Like so. Get in there. Okay, and then I push it behind the dash pot. Okay, so there. So what it does, when you let off on the gas, it's going to facilitate moving the accelerator pump down. If it's not moving it, you either have something hooked up wrong. The rod might be rubbing something. Okay.